Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Pi banking app review to see with what using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Pi, the Pi banking app gives public bank customer an easy way to manage account, transfer money and pay bills from their phone. It has a simple layout, smooth navigation and generally deliver on basic mobile banking need. It also makes it convenient for quick financial tasks on the go. However, users have reported frequent connection errors and occasional registration issues, which can make it frustrating to use. While it is secure and practical for existing public bank clients, the reliability still needs improvement. Overall, it's useful but not flawless, and it's also worth using if you're already banking with public but don't expect perfection from the app. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn the notification button and subscribe for more review.